Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back your favorite channel, Fundamental Study. We are welcomed with the new part of the fraction. Today we are going to study about the equivalent fraction. As the fractions are, you have discussed the different types, but still we are not completing this type of fraction still. So, the fractions are when said to be equivalent. The definition is such like that the fraction that have different numerator and denominator but are equal to the same value. Then we say the fractions are equivalent. Just give the example here. If you take half of the pizza or you take 2 quarters of the pizza, both have the same value. Either you take the half of the pizza or taken 2 quarter of the pizza. So these values are same. Whatever with the number, whatever with the digit of the numerator and denominator, but still they are equivalent. So either you take half or 2 quarters. Understood? But how we convert these? How can we get the equivalent fraction of a fraction? Let's see the steps in the next page. Look here, the next page here. A fraction has more than one equivalent fraction. You can get a number of equivalent fraction of a single fraction. Look, so first the tips or the rule to get one equivalent fraction from a fraction by multiplying both numerator and denominator the same digit. Then we get the equivalent fraction. Look at the example. The equivalent fraction of half is equal to 2 by 4. It means that is 2 is multiplied with 1. So you get 2 as the numerator. And further 2 is multiplied with 2. We get 4 as the denominator. And the 2 by 4 is the equivalent fraction of half. Like this, the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Look here, the 3 by 5 is equal to, that is 2 multiplied with 3 and 2 is multiplied also 5. It means both 3 and 5 multiplied by 2, you get 6 by 10. As long as you multiplied the 6 by 10 or other fractions, so you get the same, with the same number you get the equivalent fraction likewise. So the second tip is that by dividing both sides by same number, same digit. This is the second method. Like this, 9 by 12 here, divide by the 3, you get 3. When 12 is divided by 3, you get 4. So here 3 by 4 is the what? The equivalent fraction of 9 by 12. But we cannot find the equivalent fraction of the simplest form of it. We divide both the numerator and denominator by the same digit. Suppose 25 by 100 is divided by 5 both, then you get 5 by 20, which is nothing but its what? This is equivalent fraction. If we further divide 5 by 20 with 5, then we can get what? 1 by 4 is also another simplest form of the simplest form of the fraction. That is called equivalent fraction. Got it? So in this way, we get the another equivalent fraction of 5 by 20 by dividing both part by 4. Look. This is 5 divided by 5. Divided by 5, we get 1 by 4, which is another simplest form of the fraction, which is the equivalent fraction. But the simplest trick to find the two fractions are whether equivalent or not, just the formula is that when the product on cross multiplying them is same. When the cross multiplying happen, look, 3 multiply with 12 and 9 multiply with 4. If the product is same, if the product the cross multiply is same, then the two fraction confirm they are equivalent. Okay, look, give the example. So 3 into 12 is 36 and 9 into 4 also 36. So undoubtedly these two fractions are equivalent. Understood, my friends? In this way we clear about the equivalent fraction. We understand about equivalent fraction. I hope you get little information about equivalent fraction. If you want to know about more fraction, please subscribe my channel and keep in touch with me and give comments, so that I'll make more useful videos and more useful content for you in next classes. So thanks for watching, and share your valuable time and share your valuable energy. See you soon.